As you continue to use Brady's S3100 and BBP31 sign and label printers, there may be times when you'll be prompted with an error message that's fairly easy to resolve. Here are some of the more common messages and their causes. When loading the label material, if you haven't properly closed the media guides so they're overlapping the label, you'll see an error 53 appear on your display screen. To clear the error, simply open the print cover and align the guides properly. Also, when loading the label material, if you load the label into the cutter, this small sensor will detect the improper positioning and give you an error 55. To clear that error, simply pull back on the material and align it to the proper position on the edge of the roller. It's also pretty common when loading continuous label material to forget to engage the wiper arm. That's when you'll see error 21. Just open the print cover and engage the arm.